Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Talk About Servicenow. Hope you are doing well. Thank you for your valuable feedback for my previous video. I hope you are getting some beneficial knowledge as well as practical knowledge through my videos. So today agenda is client script for SBIT demo application. So before going to the SBIT demo application, we need to understand what is client script and what is the use of client script for the SBIT demo application. Okay, so client script is nothing but client script runs at the client side. It allows us to run a JavaScript on the web browser. Okay, so client side is nothing but for example we have performed in our previous video on UI policy actions to making a field mandatory, read only and visible, so we are able to see them right in our web browser. That is nothing but client side. Okay, so in client script there are four types of client script: on load, on change, on submit, on sell edit. Okay, so when coming to the practical one, so I'm just opening my personal developer instance. So we have performed this UI policies, UI actions as well for this SBIT credit card, right? And we need to perform the client script on it, right? So when we go for the left navigation pane and search client script in the system definition, so I'm searching client script. You can see in the system definitions we have client script, right? I'm just opening the new form, not a new form, list of records in the client scripts. So I'm taking some time. Yes, it has opened. So these are the existing ones which are stored in the client script table, and the table for the client script is sys underscore script underscore client, as you can see here, sys underscore client script underscore client, right? So I'm just opening the new form. Okay, so this is the new form for the client script. Okay, so name, what type of what thing you want to do, so we can give the name here. So what type of thing you want to perform, you can give the name as well, and on which table you want to perform this client script, you can select the table here. And coming to the UI type nothing but if you want to run this on the desktop or service portal, or in both mobile application, desktop, service portal, or all. For in this case we'll just use the desktop. And type, so I have told you, like I have discussed this, there are four types of client script, that is on sell edit, on change, on load and on submit. In this video we are just talking about on change and on load. So on change and on load. So first talking about the on load. So whenever the form is getting load, for example, whenever this, I'm just reloading the form. So whenever the form is getting loaded, if you want to run some script, okay, if you want to run some script, then we can use client script. Okay, so in this our, I'm just opening the scenarios stories. So in this we have onload story, alert when the form load, welcome to SBIT credit card registration form. So whenever the form is getting loaded, we need to give an alert pop-up like welcome to SBIT credit card registration. I'm just copying, we will do this one. Control Z. Okay, I have captured this. Okay, alert onload. Okay, alert onload. And table is credit request. In our use case the table is credit request. I'm opening the credit request table. Credit, yeah, this one, credit request. And for this case I have told you, like we will perform on desktop, and type is onload. Okay, and if you want to write some description you can write, and if you want to write some message you can write. So in this scenario I'm just putting some alert. Whenever the form is getting loaded, I want to alert like this one, welcome to SBIT credit card registration form. Okay, onload. So we are performing this operation in onload while the forms getting loaded. Okay, now it's going to be saving the record. Okay, it's save, I think so, and I'm just reloading it. Yes, you can see here the alert pop-up, welcome to the SBIT credit card registration form. And the form is now also, the form is not loaded. When we click on the OK button, the form stopped. Okay, this is nothing but onload. Whenever the form is getting loaded, if you want to perform certain actions, so we can use the uh, this one onload, right? And next, coming to the next story we have is add decoration on the field name mobile number, right? So decoration, so in the cubic, when we search in the left navigation pen about actions, we can get the actions. Action is nothing but the different types of icon. But after the Quebec release in Rome also, we don't have, as well as in San Diego, and this video is recorded in the San Diego version, right? So for to do that, we need to do to get the actions, the list of icons. For that, we need to copy the base URL here, dev900.com till the. After that, we need to add in the end styles slash retina underscore icon underscore slash retina underscore icon dot html. If you type this, you will get the list of icons which are present in our service now, right? Which are present in service now. So in this scenario, we need to add decoration message. Okay, decoration field message on name, phone number as well as name. Okay, so I'm just doing this. We will do this in the same form because it is onload, right? So we can do here as well. So I'm using glide glide form. As you know, glide form is a client side API, right? Underscore form dot add decoration. Okay, first one is name, as I remember the backend of name, right? Okay, and I am just using this name icon here, icon user. You can see here. I'm just using this in our case, and I'm just doing here. Okay, it's good. And next, for the mobile number also, we need to perform this operation. Dot add decoration mobile phone. I'm just uh, getting the backend name of mobile number, show mobile number, just copying it and just pasting it. And I'm just copying as well from the icons, retina icons. So here we have, yes, we have here icon phone, right? I need to copy this one and we'll paste here. So we can check now whether this onload client script is running pretty well or not, or we need to do any modification. We can check here. We need to load the form, reload the form. Okay, we got alert. Fine, that's fine. Yes, you can see here I have added two icons in the name as well as the mobile number. It's working pretty well, right? So onload, so this is all about onload. Whenever you want to run script while the form is getting load, okay, so at the moment we can use the onload function, right? Next, coming to the on change client script. On change client script is nothing but whenever you want to make a field, whenever you want to run some script when the field changes. For example, I have taken this as credit card request, SBIT request, as a demo application, and I want to allow this for both existing users in ServiceNow as well as non-existing users in ServiceNow. So for example, when we connect, when the end user will select the existing user, right, and the user, when he will enter the user, as we know, we have, this is a reference field, right? It will have the many numbers of users in that. So when we the user select the any name, the name of the person, first name as well as last name, and the location of that user, as well as the mobile number of that user, as well as the email of that user should be auto populated. This is our next scenario I have taken for the on change client script. Will show here. Yes, so when the user, we will do this alert on existing loan. In last I will do this. First we need to do this. When user select existing user, all the details should be auto populated, right? So to get the auto populated, we need to use glide reference, right, to get the reference of the user table, and then we need to set the values for that user table, for the fields, right? So I'm just creating a new client script, the system definitions, okay, and I'm creating a new one. It will be on change, right? As you know, get reference is a client side API which is used to get the reference of the table or records. Okay. mm, get the user details auto populated in the fields, right? And table will be credit request, credit credit request, okay. And for this we use UI type as desktop, and type will be on change. So when we select the on change, you can also see which field you want to change, okay. As our use case, we need to change user, as we mention here. See, when user select existing user, all the details should be auto populated. So this is a form, this is the form. So when the user select the existing user, for example, I'm just reloading it, I'm just reloading it, it is taking pretty time, okay. When the user select this, okay, it's working on onload, right? So when the user select this existing as true, then when the user select, for example, if the user select abel tutor, right? If the user select able tutor, the name of the first name as well as last name should be auto populated in the name field, and the location of that, as well as the mobile number, as well as the email, when the user selects, when the existing user select the user, right? So for this we need to use get reference. So I have selected the field name as user, okay. I have selected the field here, and I'm just using where user details, okay, where user details equals to g g underscore form dot get reference of what reference you want. In this case we want user record, right? And whenever we are using get reference, whenever you are when we are using get reference, when we need to give callback function. For this case, I'm just using callback, okay. I'm just using the callback function. Next we need to declare the function which we have created. So function which we have created is callback, right? Call back, okay, okay, no, function call back, okay. Here I need to give n, okay. Function callback user details, user details, perfect. Next I have declared the user as well, user detail as well. Next we need to set the values, right? G underscore form dot set values, set values of name. First I need to set the value for name comma uh, user dot first underscore name, first underscore name, and then we need to give user dot last last underscore name, right? And just we are checking whether it's running or not. I'm just saving the record, okay. I have saved this record, and we'll check here. I'll just reload the form. I'm just reloading the form. Yes, onload is working pretty good, okay. So when the user select the existing user, for example, in this case, I have selected Abel. Abel tutor I have selected. So okay, so it's not working. Let me check once. The underscore user dot first name plus user dot last name plus name. Okay, user dot first name plus user dot last name. It is good, but we'll check it out once again. We'll just reload the form. I think it didn't save to the data. Yes, again we'll reload. Okay, and Apple. Okay, I think name has been on something like that. We'll just show name. Show name. Field name user, right? User details. Okay. I got that. User details. Okay. I didn't set the details here, right? In the function. No, it will work. It will work. It will work. No, it will work. I'm just reloading it. Yes. When we select the existing user here, in this case, Apple again. Now it will work. Confirm it will work. We can see here the first name as well as the last name has been auto populated. Okay, we need to set as well location, mobile number as well as email for this user, right? So again I'm just going and I'm just creating this all. Okay, g underscore form dot set value of first we'll do for email. Set value email. So I'm taking the backend name of email. Okay, email. User details dot email, right? User details dot email. Next, v underscore form dot set value of location. I need to set value for the location. Okay, user details dot location, and next underscore form dot set value for, I need to set value for the mobile number. I'm just using first because we have mobile number, and in user table I think we have mobile phone, right? User admin. Okay, I'm just opening in the new tab and I'm just going for the new one. Here we have mobile number, and in user we have, I think so, mobile phone. Show mobile number. I have copied it and I'm just putting this, and user details start, and we need to check. Yes, we have your mobile phone, and in our SBIT credit card we have mobile number, right? I'm just copying the backend name of mobile phone, that is mobile underscore phone, right? I've copied this and I have pasted this, and I'm just saving the record. I have saved this record and just I'm reloading the form whether it's giving auto populated or not. Okay, when the user select the existing user and the user select able tutor, able tutor, able tutor, able tutor, for example, you can see here the first name as able tutor, location as well, mobile number as well, and email as well. For example, if we'll go for Fred Lodi, who is the founder of this service now. Fred Lodi. Yes, you can see the first name as Fred Lodi, location as this one, and mobile number like this, and Fred dot Lodi. So this is all about on change, or and the field should be auto populated by using the get reference, right? Next, one more thing I need to share you, like, okay, so this is for the non-existing persons, for this credit card issued to be non-existing person, the person who don't have any loan, right? So when the user will select do you have existing loan, then it should give us an alert, right? So which I have already created, and using the CSS as well, which I will show you right now. Client script, client script. It's taking pretty. Okay, this one, alert when user select the existing form. Okay, so when the user select the existing form, then it should give like alert like this is new form for non-existing loan, and the image which I have created, the image should be like, I'll show you. When the user select do you have any existing loan, then see we have get a pop-up, this is form for non-existing loan, and this is the thing which we are getting. Sorry, if you have existing loan you cannot fill the form. This is pretty through the CSS. If you okay, if you search images in the left navigation pan, images, okay, in the images, okay, first you need to search for the image, what type of image you want, and you need to set some width, then you can use that. Okay, so it's taking pretty. Okay, so this is the image which I have loaded from a browser, from a Google, and I have uploaded to this. I have uploaded to this. You can see here. Sorry, if you have an existing loan, you cannot fill the form. So after saving this, I have done the client script. I have written some script in that client script. Okay, this one. So I have written this script, _score form dot add error message. Cause of this, we are getting this red color error message. Okay, this, because of this we are getting error message, _score form dot image. So this is the CSS, image style equals to display inline, important width of 60, src source equals to credit card, that is the source from the image, right? Sorry, if you have existing loan you cannot fill the form. So this is also on change of do you have any existing loan. When the user click on the do you have existing loan, then this will perform whenever the user will click on this do you have any existing loan. So this I today I have discussed about onload as well as on change. In the next video we'll discuss about on submit as well as on sell edit. If you like the content or video, like and subscribe as well as share. And more important thing is gathering knowledge, whether you are getting knowledge from this video or not. I want your feedback. And one more thing, next in the next video we'll import some data, right? So we have created SBIT credit card, okay, but we want to give some data here through the import set. If you type SBIT credit card and you go for all, see in this we have two what we have done, right? But in the next video we'll import some data, 10 to 15 records will import from my Excel, and will pull it to here to the service now. So in the next video we'll discuss, mainly discuss about import set. Hope you like this video. Hope you will like this video. And the next video, first we need to complete client script, which we have done on onload as well as on change. In the next video, first we'll talk about on submit as well as on sell edit, and the next video will be import set. Okay, thank you, bye, have a nice day.